Hey guys, how you doing today? I just want to continue my story on Raycon headphones. Small recap. I caved in and I bought them like a couple months ago because my old ones died and everybody said they're fine, they're over YouTube. So I'm like, yeah, what the heck, let's try them out. I told you what I like and what I dislike about them in my previous video. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. So long story short, one of them cracked down the middle, and I wanted to see how Raycon is going to respond to that. So what I did, I emailed them with a couple of pictures. They said okay, fine, these are still covered on warranty, and I believe it's a year warranty. So they told me just package it up. They gave me the label. I just dropped it in a mailbox, and couple days later I received this one. So it was pretty much a pretty smooth process. So it took them one day to respond to my email, and then basically as soon as they got confirmation from the USPS that the package is on its way to them, they shipped me the new ones. So this is where we at. I'm just gonna open them up and see how they look, if they got the color right. So alright, let's see. Yep, blue ones, that's the one I was looking for. Nice packaging, by the way. Yep, same as previous. So these are the ones that I was using, E25s. As I said, because all the YouTubers were like raving about it, I'm like, what the hell? And also they were offering like some kind of discount link. I'm like, okay, sounds like a good deal. So as you can see, it comes in this nice package. Comes in this nice little charging case that actually charges them to 3 to 4 times, I believe. So once you open them up, you got this ring here. If it's red, it means it needs charging. If it's white, it means it's charged up. As soon as you open them up, they should be in the pairing mode. Sometimes they act up weird. Basically, when you open up a case, they should either look for the device they were connected before or try to pair up, but sometimes it doesn't happen. And then also, if you put them back in the case and close them up, they should automatically disconnect from the phone, but sometimes it doesn't happen. So I don't know if that's probably like a firmware thing. I'm not sure if there's going to be an update for that. So besides that, you get this little box that I believe contains a little cable and different sizes of inserts. So depending on your canal size, you can put the ones that work for you. So let me just put this back in. I'm not gonna need that right now. Yeah, pretty much that's what you get in a case. Let's see how long it takes to pair up with the phone. So I'm just gonna go into my Bluetooth devices. Open these up and put them in my ears. Let's see if they're in pairing mode. Raycon earbuds. Yep. Yeah, that's pretty much it. As you can see, the device is connected. Battery is at 100%, which is nice. So now, if I put it back in, it should turn off, and it did this time. So that's great. And I open it back up. They should turn on. Yep, and that's good. And that's the expected behavior that I like, but it doesn't happen every time. It doesn't happen all the time, so that's a little bit annoying. And yeah, these are good quality headphones. They last a long time. Pretty much they never ran out on me on juice. But as I said, these are great for listening music and podcasts, and they're not great for watching YouTube videos or playing games, because there is too much latency on these. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The replacement experience wasn't too bad. I mean, it went pretty fast from the time I submitted my request and I got my my headphones back. I took around a week. I mean, that's including the the shipping time and all that stuff. But yeah, as far as customer service, yeah, they're good. Pretty much, as I said, these broke down the middle, like popped open. Yeah, so that's like physical damage that some manufacturers would not consider under warranty, but these guys are good for a year. So yeah, that's all. I'll keep you posted if I have any more opinions and any more problems with these, but as it stands, they're good for now. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time, and thank you. Have a good one. Bye bye.